So already we had put the lemon. Now I have to add carrot, guys. So guys, here we have to mix it first because this is some of the ingredients that I'm using, and we have to mix it first. After that I'll have to add cooking oil, and we are using fresh fry, so I'll add it there. And then we mix. After adding the oil, I'll have to mix it, guys, like this. This is a variety of ingredients. We have added lemon, the skin of lime, plus carrots, and baking powder, oil, and the flour. So after mixing with your hand, so I love to, this is warm water. I want to use warm water because it is hot. I love to mix with the cold water like this. After that, I add on the cooking on the inside the unga like this. We are mixing the dough. We are mixing the dough, guys. So this is it. So in a flexible way, you mix the dough like this is. Now guys, the dough is ready. So after this, it is already mixed, guys. So what I have to put some flour on top of like this, and then do like this. This is the village lifestyle. Actually, if you are outside there, you can tell us how you do your stuff, like here, guys. And I have a very small saucepan. So drop a comment whether you have such a small saucepan, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And then we shall wait the oil to get ready. We have left it for 10 minutes like, and now it is ready. So I'll have to cut the portion that I want to use. And first of all, I'll have to put the unga on top of this table here. On top of this table here, guys. That's because so that the dough that doesn't stick on the table, guys. So it's very soft, as you can see. So we'll have to start like getting it ready, guys. I think the oil is ready. The oil is ready, and here we are going to do the unga. We are going to do the unga now. And the dough, you have to cut it into pieces, guys. You have to cut the dough into pieces, like, and this is how we do it. So I love to cut this one here in 4 pieces like this, one here, and we put inside the oil. We put inside the oil. That's how we do it, guys. After that, I have this string here that I'm going to turn them in a quicker way so that the oil gonna go all over the snack, guys. So we shall wait it to be ready and we shall remove it. It is ready here. It is ready, and I have to just remove it like this with this scooping spoon here, guys. And I have to drain the oil. We'll have to drain the oil like this. You do it like this so that you remove the oil, guys. And I'll have to put it here. So make sure the oil is melted, guys. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let's continue cooking so that I know if you were here, we could have shared this amazing menu here, guys. So thank you so much. Continue watching until the end, guys. I'm trying from the village, and God bless you as you continue watching the video. So let's continue moving as the dough is here, guys. You do like this, guys, with this rolling pin. With this little rolling pin, and I have to cut them into 4 pieces like this. Then I have to put into the oil like this, guys. And you have to pay in, do it in a quicker way, guys. That is it. Cut the oil. You drain the oil. So guys, we have to turn them, and you should be there while the cooking. Is not like when you are cooking vegetables. This you have to be there, and then like
rage on that beat, going crazy.
So guys, I love to show you around as usual here in the village. It looks like this, guys, and this is where we hang our clothes while we have washed them, as you can see on this fence here. That this is where we believe that they dry so quickly, but we washed them late, like this. Even you can lay them on the grass as you see them here, and we have hung them here, guys. That's so you may wonder as to why we have put them on the grass. And guys, we believe that putting them on the grass, like laying them on the grass, we believe that they usually dry so quickly. So that's what people believe here. Even if you wash a blanket, like they just put it like they lay it on the grass so that it's gonna dry so quickly. So sometimes, guys, I usually cook from here. So this I have just covered it in a way that maybe it may not get rains as too much. So this is my late parents' house, guys. I did the washing today, and that's how you see a lot of clothes here, like, guys. So this is that. The weather is not that good. You can see today it does not rain, and the time now is like 2, I don't know, 3, like 4, and the weather is not that good. You can see how the weather is, guys. There's some black clouds, like, guys, and this is the village. And we have corn here. So as usual, this is the month of May, and usually the month of May, the corn is not that ready. Maybe we are going to harvest like the month of July and August. That's when the harvest is going to be done, guys. So thank you so much for coming to watch this video. God bless you, and may we meet in another video. Oh, thank you so much. I love you all. Ciao, ciao, bye bye. Love you all. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.